Mastering Bookkeeping Basics Manual or Computerized Bookkeeping System. Bookkeeping is the process of identifying, recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions to produce the financial reports for users needing or requiring financial information. The same steps, called the accounting cycle, are basically adhered to whether a manual or computerized accounting system is being used. A manual bookkeeping system uses special journals for entering the different types of transactions. Special journals include a sales journal, cash receipts journal, cash payments journal, purchases journal, and a payroll journal. Using a manual system, the summarized totals from the special journal are normally posted to the general ledger accounts at the end of a month. A computerized bookkeeping system uses modules that provide templates that guide you in entering the different types of transactions. Usually separate modules are provided for recording sales, cash receipts, cash payments, inventory, and payroll. When using a computer system, once an entry is entered, all records are automatically updated. Why is this important? Financial statements and other reports are available at any time, not just at the end of a month. Computer bookkeeping or not? That is the question. Let's look at two different businesses, one using the manual system and the other using a computer system. We'll start with the manual bookkeeping office and end with the computerized bookkeeping office. Let's see how the boss and the bookkeeper interact.
What's my profit looking like this month?
I don't know. We only post our journals at the end of the month. Let you know then.
What bills need to be paid this week? What customer accounts are due to be collected this week?
I don't know. I'll have to do an aging report.
Do we have the necessary cash for our bills and payroll?
I'll have to call our bank and get an estimate and review our aging reports.
What's this stack of documents in your inbox?
Sales and supplier invoices that need to be entered in our journals. It's a time-consuming process, so I sometimes get behind. I also have some customer invoices that need to be typed and sent out.
Are our profit margins adequate?
It will take me some time. I have to prepare a special report to find out.
Have you filed last month's sales taxes?
It's on my to-do list.
Let's see how our computerized bookkeeping is performing. What's my profit looking like this month?
I'll run you a report right away.
What bills need to be paid this week? What customer accounts are due to be collected this week?
Let me run our aging reports, and I'll put them on your desk.
Do we have the necessary cash for our bills and payroll?
Let me push a button, and I'll tell you right now.
I see your inbox is empty.
It's easy to stay caught up using our bookkeeping software. It saves me a lot of time. Since I have the time, do you need any special projects done?
Are our profit margins adequate?
Let me quickly run some sales reports, and I'll let you know products that may need your attention.
Have you filed last month's sales taxes?
I did it a couple of days after the month ended.
What system, manual or computerized? This decision should be a no-brainer. If you have not yet computerized your accounting, you should seriously consider doing so. Most of the software being offered has a trial version that you can use to see if it fits your needs. Also, there are now many free, excellent accounting software solutions being offered. For those wanting to learn more about computerized bookkeeping, check out free My Computer tutorial on my website.